All right, we are here at 10132 Colonial Country Club, Unit 803. We're right here at the entrance, second floor unit. You do have a covered carport spot as well as storage unit for Unit 803 right out front of your parking spot here. Coming in, you've got tile in the main entry area here. Then you've got your stairwell leading up with this Berber style carpet. Then we go right back into the tile in the main areas here. Directly to our right is going to be the guest bedroom and guest bath. This is the guest bedroom here. Then we have the guest bath just off of that here with the single sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. Directly across from the guest bedroom area, you've got your kitchen. So you've got your eating kitchen area right here, as well as your laundry space and pantry. And this overlooks your great room area, as well as your dining room here. And there's plenty of room for some bar seating here at the kitchen. Now coming towards the back, we have the master suite. That's a king-size bed there for perspective. Have really nice big windows overlooking the lake view here. And then we have the master bath here with the dual sinks. You've got the standalone shower, and then we have the walk-in style closet right here. And last but not least, we have the exterior lanai and the views. Nice size lanai here. Plenty of room for even more seating if you want to do a 6-top instead of a 4-top. There are accordion hurricane shutters. That's these right here. They just shut closed to protect this entire area. And then this is your view here from the lanai. You've got water view along with the nature view of the tree here. So last but not least, we're going to check out what the natural lighting looks like in here. So I'm just going to turn off this light. So from the front here, in the kitchen with all the lights off, and then you've got your dining space and great room. All right, guys, that is Colonial Country Club, Unit 803. If you're interested in this unit, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and I appreciate you watching.